Well, they lied when they said it never rains in Southern California because it's raining today. I don't know if y'all can see the little rainfall, but yeah, it's raining. This is our snow. This shit sucks. I'd rather for the sun to be out. Got my boots, my rain boots on. Got on my rain jacket. Check me out. But all right, guys, I'm gonna see you guys later. Look at my man. She out here in the rain. Y'all heard her? So right now I'm at Jiffy Lube. Since it's the COVID season, I'm delivering food for Postmates and Uber Eats and shit. So Uber Eats kind of just accepted me. I was doing it on a bike, but I got me a little bucket now, so I'm trying to do it in my little bucket. So you said cut it on? So pretty much I'm here at Jiffy Lube. The high beams is also. So yeah, pretty much so yeah, he checking my shit right now. So I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm out here at Jiffy Lube. You think they're gonna work? They don't know this a Maybach. They don't know this a Maybach. All right, man, you good? You can cut it out. All right, for sure. Yeah, they working on the Maybach right now. They don't even know it. Well, I'm back with the bad news. I guess I didn't pass today. I need to get my back brakes fixed and some stabilizer links, something like that. But so I guess I'm about to be postmating right now until further notice, because right now it's raining, so I definitely can't get the car fixed today. And it's time to pay rent, so money's funny. So it's cool. I'll figure it out. I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. I'm about to get some Italian food from this place. Hopefully it doesn't cost over 20 bucks. It's lunchtime. Hello. I just ordered some spaghettis.
Spaghettis and meat sauce?
I didn't say 2 spaghetti. I just want
one.
Yeah, order spaghetti.
Yeah. Okay, we have a special also today. That is spaghetti with meatballs for $10.99.
I don't like meatballs. I just like meat sauce.
I got it. It's okay. No worries. And we're doing it right now, and I'll give you the special price for that. I'll take it right now.
Looks pretty nice in here. Hey, they got the football game going.
Having a good day so far?
I can't complain.
That's good.
So
this is gonna make it 13, 14, 15, 20.
thank you. There's a little tip.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem. Final. Got some sodas. Got me a Butterfinger. Some water. Smart Final. Just left. Leaving. Going back to my Rolls Royce. My Bentley. My Ferrari. My Lamborghini. Bentley truck. All of the above. It's not COVID. It's not COVID. It's just a weather change. All right, guys, I need my hands, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Peace out. What's your favorite liquor? See a little whip? Would you drive it? I'll be doing donuts and that thing and everything. It's raining like a motherfucker. And I'm smoking like a motherfucker. Hey. All right, I gotta look at attention to where I'm going now. I need my Google Maps back up.